In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Roboform discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and type in Roboform discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna head over to the second website, wethrift.com, and you're gonna click on it. So once you're on the website, you're gonna see many codes. So for example, the first one is get a 75% off on the website. And as you guys can see, the success rate is pretty high and it was used 655 times. So all you have to do is click copy code, which is automatically gonna copy it. And then you can go to their website Roboform and you can choose your products and use this code at checkout to get to maybe get a 75% off. There are many more, for example, 25% off, the success rate is 94. You can go ahead and give this a try as well. There's another one here, 10% off, stale 50 is the code. Another 30% off, SD30. So let's say if one of the 10% off doesn't work, you can always go ahead and try the other ones. So as you can see, there are many 10% off. Now I'm gonna head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to select deals. Once you're here, you're gonna see codes as well. So for example, the first one is say 50% off with this. So I'm gonna click on it, and that's the code right there, SE50. So you can copy it and then click on continue to Roboform, which will take you to their website. There you can use this code at checkout and get a discount. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.